channel, Tarot Reading with Shaista. Taurus, hi. This is going to be a reading today from the 22nd of September through the 29th of September. And we shall take a look at your recent past, your current energies, and your immediate future. I will then close the reading off by pulling out an oracle card as a message for you from the universe. So please remember that these are general readings. So they may not always resonate with all of you. They could be for you, your person, or your situation. So if you're keen on knowing more, you'll just have to email me. And you're free to email me on the email address which is mentioned in the description box below. Okay, let me just shuffle your cards, Taurus. For the week September 22nd to 29th. And this is your card. Okay. The overall energy is you slowing down because of your fear. The Eight of Swords kind of imprisoning you with insecurities and a fear of moving forward. But not to worry. I think from what I see, there is going to be clearly moving ahead. It's going to be slow with whatever you're dealing with, but it's going to happen. Now, in your recent past, you have the Ten of Swords, the Hierophant, and the Knight of Cups. So I see hardships. I see a lot of choices that didn't make you very happy. Some choices that you took on. With the Hierophant here and the Ten of Swords, I think you were very quick to make these choices and very quick to make these decisions. And that's kind of scared you off, okay? This is definitely a connection, a relationship that you're involved in. Clearly with the Knight of Cups here, okay? And currently you want a peace of mind. You are coming out of some bad space, a bad phase, and you're very calm about it, strangely, but that's very much like a Taurus. So I see that you're dealing with it and coping with it well, but I definitely see that there was a lot of trouble with the heart in the last few weeks. With the Eight of Swords here, I also see that it has a lot to do with you not being able to get over the past. So it's not like you have decided to move out of it completely, but you know this is not going to, move to better light. You don't see this relationship taking any form, or you don't see any future in this relationship at the moment. So that's kind of been the heartbreak here. I also see that action is being taken towards the person you are dealing with. You want to make it work out. You want your happily ever after with this person. You definitely want that, but you find it very difficult right now to take that decision, because it looks like a very tough decision to make right now, because the kind of situation you're in, it looks more like a three-party kind of a situation, a third-party situation where you're probably already committed to someone, or you're with someone and you do not know how to make this work out, okay? But this could be again for just some of you, because this reading may not be resonating with all of you, like I said, okay? It could be you or your person. So I could be probably clearly talking about the other person, though I still feel it's you, okay? So you probably got involved in a situation thinking about everyone else, and that kind of messed it up for you. So basically I get the Fool's energy here, Okay, you thought you will manifest something, it'll be for the better good, to make yourself feel better, maybe because you felt you were deprived of something in the past, and you decided to take that courage and that strength and move forward with it, manifesting all the good things. And this relationship did bring you all the good things. Okay, so you did have the courage, but you faced the consequences, which weren't very good. And now you're obviously looking for clarity. And you, with the Empress here, I definitely think you definitely want this to work out for you. Okay, I don't see why it will not. The Empress also shows me that there is a future here. Okay, so this relationship that you're so keen on may look very difficult to achieve at this point in time, but I definitely see it happening. Okay, I want you to understand that, because your current energy card definitely tells me that it will happen. It's just that you're imprisoned by fear, your insecurities of the present. Um, in the recent past, you wanted to leave the situation, but you just didn't. Right? That's exactly what happened, and you did the opposite. Um, this made this whole situation go chaotic, and you lost sight along the way, and I think that's what's gone wrong. Till then it was all looking good, and you believed you could probably carry on alone, and then you didn't need anybody. You probably even went through that phase where you felt that, why am I investing so much of time in anybody new? My past hasn't been very great. Why am I focusing and getting myself hurt again? Maybe I'm good on my own. I'm probably more, I need to be more independent. I don't need anyone. But you fell through the cracks. Okay, so Taurus, you're not all that strong. Okay, this person makes you grow weak at knees. But you were looking for someone. You probably didn't realize that, when this person showed up, you probably all along were lonely, even in your last relationship, or your previous situation. You have been lonely for quite some time, and I think you did expect somebody to come up, but not this soon. And he was, or she was, the ideal situation that showed up. There is lots of love here, I definitely see that, but I also see a lot of pain between you both moving away, because I think somewhere I feel that you both have taken the decision to actually distance yourself from each other. Okay, and this is basically probably telling each other that it's the best way forward. You want to be with this someone, definitely. You probably know who I'm talking about. This person is already in your life, so you probably even know who this is, and you're not doing anything to fix the situation. That's what is confusing me as to why. Though I see the Three of Pentacles here, there will be a reward if you work on it, but you're not, clearly not, probably because of this card where you're imprisoned by your fears, your insecurities, and but I'm sure this is all going to figure out, because I see that this other person is also very confused. They want to come out of that phase too, but nothing is really happening. Both of you are like, you both want this to happen very, very badly. What I see is that eventually you are going to wake up to this whole situation suddenly. You will no longer be afraid. You will probably come around and take that decision. And that sounds a lot like you, Taurus. You may step it up. You're more in love now. You'll probably think that, and you'll probably come out of it. You will do what is needed now, at that point in time, and that's how you feel. But you're manifesting this person. You clearly are, without realizing it. Okay, and they are not, but you seem to now, more than them. Okay, manifesting it and wanting the situation to work out. So I have a feeling you yourself will break this fear cycle and probably wake up one fine morning and change your decision and probably want to pursue them. In your immediate future, I see the Judgment. Like I said, you will wake up to this decision, you will get more clarity, and you will get more creative. You will figure out what you need to do with the situation to make this work for you, because this is definitely something that's going to make you very, very happy. Basically, it is about you. Okay, opening up that door, pressing the right buttons, or basically the right keys on the piano to get the right music note out. So a lot of waiting, though. I don't see this happening like tomorrow. This process will start. You will start seeing this sometime during this week, or maybe from the week after. But we'll see how it goes. And I see that, there will be disappointment right now, and you've already gone through the worst. So too much is happening for you, and which is making you happy and secure. I see that happening in the future. So go easy on yourself, go slow. You may be moving into new beginnings, which you probably don't see at all right now. And you will discover this new love, and you will know that it's the right thing to do. So it's all about you waking up to it, and I think that your time will come. All right, so that's that for you, Taurus, for this week, 22nd to 29th. Let me pull out an oracle card to leave you with, so that you sit and resonate over that card and manifest it for yourself. Let's see what the universe wants to say to you to keep you going this week. Yeah. So don't just assume things. Get more candid. It's up to you. This card says it's all up to you. Okay, I don't know if you can see it correctly, but it says it's all up to you. You can make this happen. Okay, and it's you need to get more informed. You need to stop assuming, and you need to trust. You need to trust the situation. Get over this fear cycle, and I think it's all gonna go well for you, and you will realize that eventually. So that's that much for you this week, Taurus. I'll see you next week. Have a good one.